Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video we are going to talk about a topic that is how to become a .NET developer. If you are a fresher, what are the skills are required, and if you are experienced professionals, then what type of skills are mandatory to get software job and to survive as a senior software .NET developer. So in this video I am going to cover what are the primary skills for the .NET developer and career growth, and about the salary, and in which domains these .NET technology are going to use to implement the projects, in which country more demand and more job opportunities for this .NET developer. We will cover all these things one by one in this video, so don't skip this video. Without wasting your time, let us start the main topic. Without wasting your time, let us start the main topic of how to become a .NET developer. Is there any prerequisites required to become a .NET developer? Yes, if you have some computer fundamentals knowledge or C programming knowledge or any other programming basic knowledge, that is good, that is added advantage to learn .NET technology or to become a .NET developer. But it's not mandatory to have computer knowledge. Anyhow, you can start to learn .NET technology from scratch level onwards without having prior knowledge of any programming language. Okay, now you may have big doubt what type of technology I should learn to become a .NET developer. See guys, there are primary skills are there. If you have these primary skills, then you can easily become a .NET developer. Suppose if you are a fresher, then if you learn C# programming language or VB.NET, but highly recommended one, C# programming language. So if you know the basic syntax, data types, and object-oriented programming concepts, multi-threading concepts, exception handling concepts, these skills are enough to get .NET developer jobs as a fresher or entry-level candidate. In case if you are a fresher, you have to learn along with this programming language. You should have experience on any one framework as well, like the ASP.NET framework or ADO.NET framework, and WCF and WPF. So like these frameworks as well to become a .NET developer. Next, you should know database concepts as well. Suppose if you are a fresher, if you have basic knowledge on SQL Server, those skills are enough to crack the interview to enter into the software field as a .NET developer along with C# programming language. In case if you are trying as an experienced .NET developer, then along with the SQL Server, you must know any one ORM as well and entity framework as well. So you must be strong in any one database, relational database skills like SQL, like SQL Server or MySQL or Oracle, and entity framework and ORM. Next, you have to focus on design patterns as well. So you may raise a doubt, if I am a fresher, then design pattern skills are mandatory? It's not mandatory design pattern skills for freshers or entry level candidates. But it is good to have if you know basic knowledge on MVC architecture, that is a very added advantage. But if you are an experienced candidate, then you must be aware of the flow of the MVC architecture, MVVM and singleton pattern. So these are the primary design patterns as a .NET developer. There are many design patterns you have to learn once you become a senior software developer. Okay, and the next skills you should know testing and debugging skills. For .NET developer, NUnit is one of the most demanded testing tool you must know. Okay, so like Java developer should know JUnit. In the similar way, .NET developer should know NUnit. Recommended one NUnit and MS Test. Next one is communication skills and teamwork skills, also mandatory to become a .NET developer or senior .NET developer. Along with all these skills, .NET Core technology is also mandatory nowadays. So without having .NET Core technologies, you may not get job opportunities nowadays. This is one of the primary most demanded skills for every .NET developer nowadays. Now let's talk about what we can do with this technology. So you can become a software developer or web developer or mobile application developer or desktop engineer and a game developer also. You may raise another doubt, where we used these technologies, in which domain is more demand to use these .NET technology. Especially these technologies are using for healthcare domain and e-commerce and financial and game development. okay, and Windows development as well, like Microsoft related products. And next query is, in which country these .NET technologies more job opportunities? The United States of America and UK and India, Canada and Australia. So you can expect more job opportunities related to .NET technology. Okay, another doubt, what is the career growth if you started your career as a .NET developer, or if you start your career as a .NET developer? So you can expect a bright future and better career growth once you start your career as a .NET developer, guys. There is no doubt in that. So you can start your career as a software engineer, and you can become a senior .NET engineer, and you can become a mobile application developer or some game developer or some team lead. I hope you cleared all your doubts whether to start your career as a .NET developer or not. You can expect more job opportunities in the upcoming years for .NET developer positions. Okay, so if you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. So if you really love this content, don't forget to hit the thumb button, and don't forget to share to your friends as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.